Josh Knoxville.
This guy's costume here, take it.
Cool, dude. Shit, you want to have a laugh? I guess not. Josh Knoxville? This is what?
This is Texas Pete's hot sauce eating.
Josh Knoxville? This is Texas Pete. Hot sauce.
You're close to that.
Is that empty? Let's see the empty bowl. Oh.
Pyro blood.
Let's see that bowl, dude. Hold that bowl up. Let me see your underwear.
Just so
Nah, I'm not his brother.
Well, throw it another 20 and I'll do it again.
Oh, yeah. You owe him $20, fool.
10, fool.
Oh. Dude, my wife's Jewish.
She throws in 50 cents.
That's 20, 50.